2016 Polaris slingshot came in for a no start. We checked the fuses, found the fuel pump fuse to be broken. That is, gotta note that. Obviously, it needs a new battery. It hasn't been ridden in a year. Also, we got the fuel pump out. We tested power. We're getting power. We're not getting super power, but I'm using a jumper, so I don't know if that has anything to do with it. Once we get the new battery in, we'll see. But I did put power to the fuel pump and nothing. No sound, no fuel coming out. So definitely a bad fuel pump. If there's any other issues, we'll know. But obviously, we were getting insufficient voltage at the fuel pump and we were getting a blown fuse. So those are things to note for. We'll put that in the new phone, put them in the battery, and we'll see what we get.